Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on your LG Q70. So at the start I'm always starting from the simplest way, just restart the Bluetooth connection, in the settings of course. Now just check for your device again. I can see this is my headphones. But if you still don't have your device here, go to the three-dot icon and try to edit name of your device, then look for your device again. Now, if you still don't have your device here, you have to be sure that the Bluetooth accessory is visible for your phone, so you have to enable a pair mode in your device. Sometimes you have to click the button 3 times, sometimes you have to hold it for 3 seconds or something like that. You will find it in the manual instruction on your channel. So after that, if you're sure that you enable a pair mode, just try to restart your Bluetooth accessory and your phone. Just restart the system and look for your Bluetooth accessory again. The next way, just go to the settings with down, open the system and choose restart and reset. Now just open the network settings reset. I can see there is a Bluetooth included, and just reset these settings. Confirm the pattern and that's it. Look for your device again. The next recommendation from me, just check that you have any updates of your system. If you have any updates, just install it, download it and install it, and check again. And the last recommendation from me, check the phone and your Bluetooth accessory on other device to check that is a problem with your Bluetooth or with your headphones or other Bluetooth accessories. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.